at the times for this evening, I'm assuming that Mincha today will be either at 7:10 or 7:15. I don't know if anybody knows. I don't remember exactly when candlelighting is, but won't be Mincha won't be before 7:10 this evening. Um, so anyway,
7:10.
7:10.
7:10.
When is candlelighting?
Candlelighting is 7:01.
7:01 is candlelighting. 7:10 is Mincha. Now for a quick Devar Torah. Uh, one of the interesting things about the Seder is we keep getting reminded that a lot of people don't like us. We're reminded that in every generation, there's some group who's going to get up and try to kill us. Even when we're greeting Eliyahu Navi, stop and think of what we're actually saying at that moment. We're saying, open the door and we say, pour out your wrath on the nations. And is saying, this is how you greet Eliyahu Navi? Pour out your wrath? I mean, it seems to be a non sequitur. You should be saying, welcome, but you were saying something else entirely. And the answer to this, why the Seder goes in such detail, the answer is if you look at the original Korban Pesach, it's a lamb. The lamb has to be consumed that night. You cannot have any leftovers. All leftovers are forbidden. That means you can't be there just with yourself and your immediate family. There's not enough people to eat it. You have to invite your greater family. You have to invite your friends. It has to be a group so that everybody can partake. What the Seder is coming to tell you is that united we're in great shape. When we're divided between one and the other, that's when our enemies strike. They see that we're weak and they say, okay, we can take advantage. The Jews are not doing what the Jews are supposed to be doing. If you look in the Torah, when it recounts Amalek, first it makes a statement you have to have accurate weights and measures. And then immediately after, the Torah says, and remember what Amalek did. And Rashi, right there, says there's a reason why Amalek follows the mitzvah of having accurate weights and measures. Because when you don't have accurate weights and measures, that means there's going to be a division in society. That people are going to get angry at each other. They're going to say, you cheated me, etc. And then Amalek sees this as an opportunity to strike. So the Seder is coming to tell us that when we go to do this Seder, and we're inviting a lot of friends and family, etc., it's a great event, we're also saying that the Jewish people are united. And therefore our enemies have no strength against us. It's when we're divided that they have their strength. So it's something to think about, Kaddish Rabbanim.